Anorexia has the highest mortality rate of all mental illnesses. Anorexia. It's a word we all have heard, but few know a lot about. Anorexia. Anorexia is an eating disorder. People who suffer from it have an intense fear of gaining weight. This is fed by a misinterpreted perception of their own body weight. This is encouraged by society's view that only skinny is beautiful. This all results in abnormally low body weight. And to lose weight, these people decrease food intake and increase physical activity to the point where in most cases they are starving themselves. Anorexia is an extremely unhealthy weight control measure, yet half of teenage girls and a third of all teenage boys have used unhealthy weight control measures. The symptoms of anorexia are aggressive and terrible. They include anxiety and depression, dieting even though one is thin, excessive or compulsive exercising, strange eating habits such as avoiding meals, eating in secret, and monitoring every bite of food, damage to major organs, irregular heartbeat, low blood pressure, pulse, body temperature, and breathing rates. Anorexia is not tragically beautiful like some may think. Anorexia is not something that should be encouraged. Anorexia is pain. Anorexia is headaches and stomach aches. It's uncontrollable sobbing and self-hatred. Anorexia is terrified friends and heartbroken families. It is starvation and distorted mirrors. Anorexia is not beautiful. What few realize is the side effects that come along with this mental disorder. These are side effects that will impact people for the rest of their lives. They can cause lifelong problems and serious health issues, like extreme weight loss, abnormal blood counts, dizziness or fainting, seizures, brittle nails and hair that falls out, irregular heart rhythms, low blood pressure, dehydration, and osteoporosis. But hey, people say dieting is normal, but this is not. Dieting in ways that are healthy for your body, that's fine. However, the serious mental and physical consequences of anorexia are not okay. Anorexia is not dieting. And then you hear the whole people with eating disorders just want attention, and there's nothing actually wrong with them. Yet these people do not understand. People with eating disorders are not seeking attention. In fact, they often want the exact opposite. They try to hide themselves and their bodies, and rarely do they seek help. 33% of people suffering with anorexia obtain treatment. Anorexia is fatal in about 1 of every 10 cases. 1 in 10 people with anorexia will die. But it doesn't have to be this way. There are warning signs to this mental disorder. They include refusal to eat, denial of hunger, even if they're starving, difficulty concentrating, obsession with body size and shape, skipping meals, making excuses for not eating, weighing food, and cooking elaborate meals for others, but refusing to eat themselves. The first way to support someone with anorexia is to help them get the help that they need. They will need to be brought back to a normal body weight and eating habits, and in serious cases, hospitalization may be required. But this is all worth it. What those suffering from anorexia don't see is that you don't need to starve yourself to be beautiful. Beauty comes in all shapes and sizes.